Hey guys, what's up? It's Ender Girl here, and today we are going to be playing Pokemon Omega Ruby. And let's get started. Yep, as you can see, finally got it. Finally recording on my DS. English. Begin. Just gonna let the little scene things run through, and I'm gonna stop talking. Wait 1 second, guys. Okay, I'm back. As you can see, you can't see anything. There's a glare. And then make this the only bright screen. Yeah. Let me make that scoop. No! Oh gosh. He's scaring me. Why is he wearing shorts? He's wearing shorts! Ah! Ah! Birch. Hi, Birch. Just like Birch in Minecraft. Yes, we already know. We already been through a lot of stuff in Pokemon. Okay. I'm so excited. Oh, are we in a truck? No. Probably. Okay, go away. Now. Hi, Trappy. How are you? Pronounce your name. Look at that. We are in a truck. Of course I'm a girl. What do you think I am? I'm gonna name me I don't know what I should give my kid. And a girl. I don't know. I really don't know. Let's just go with Elaine because that's my name. Hey, stop it. Stop it! And yes, I'm playing on my DS. That's the only thing you can play on. Yes, why else would you think that I chose my name? Yes, of course you see. No, I'm the only one. Yeah, sure thing. Why am I in the back of the truck anyway? Did they catch me? I think help! Somebody, help! Somebody, they kidnapped me! They put me in a track. Sorry if I'm being crazy. This will only be about 10 minutes. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. Okay, what is this little guy? Oh really, you sniff it. You sniff stuff. I'm so excited. It's in a truck. Oh. You're happy? You're happy that it's in a truck? Yep. No, not really. I didn't do much. Are you my mom? Cool. And I still don't have my own room right now. So I'm kind of jealous of this one. Oh my gosh. Not wearing anything. No, go. Okay, calm down. Bye-bye. See you later, people with six-packs. Yep. Okay, what's this? As you can see, I don't waste my time talking. Woo! Oh my gosh! Ah! Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So cute. Ah, oh my gosh, I just squinted in my web. Do I have to do it myself? Oh, okay, never mind. I don't care. Cool. So, do I put everything on my desk? What? Oh! Oh my gosh! That's so cool. That's so cool. Can I sleep now? Hey! Yeah, I can sit though. A friend of mine, Rachel, stop texting me now. I'll let you guys read that by yourself. I read fast, but what a shame. Blah, blah, blah. I thought, oh my gosh, you don't know what I thought that said. Right next to, why? He's such a creep. He follows me. Where is that guy? Is this him? Now go away. Okay, I'm gonna look at this house because I'm a creep. Okay, we're not going in there. Okay, when am I gonna... Is that on? Sure, I still don't have friends because I'm so lonely. Oh, hello. Okay. Yep, sure. Nod your head. Yeah, yeah, you just now noticed me. Who are you? Oh, are you okay? Okay. What? Elaine? Oh, yeah, okay, we'll just meet again later, though. So. Oh, you want to go there? Oh, I think you want to go there, man. Now. Oh, wait, I forgot. I'm supposed to be for my Pokemon. Some other time, okay? Yeah, see ya, forgetter. So rude. So rude. I mean, I don't just break into people's houses and run off. Like, I'm not that kind of person. Who are you? Help me. Help me. Why? So immature. You are so immature, man. I'm not. I was just kind of trying. Thank you. What? I don't. Fire torch. Fire. Torchic. Medkit. A fire type, water type, or grass type. I don't know. I really don't know. I went with Snivy last time. I don't know if I should. He looked really cool when he used it. I don't. Okay, guys. I don't know. I really don't. Jesus, Pokemon. No. So intense. Yes. I'm already in a Pokemon battle. Gotta be kidding me. Okay, wait, I'm using this. Ember, use Ember. Right in your face. Ooh, must have. I'm gonna use Growl because the burn will already. You know, you barely do any damage to me, so. Okay, Sue, where are the Pokeballs? Here. I don't have any. I want to catch him. Ugh, whatever. Scratch. Yeah. Can I pick another Pokemon though? Okay, after this little scene, I'm gonna hurry up. I'm gonna end this episode right here and just stop talking to me so I can. I didn't really. Whatever. No! Never communicate. Turn off. Yeah, sure. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this episode right here. I'm gonna save this.